Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with ice machine. Here I'm making a video to show a 15-ton body capacity flake ice machine. $15 tons of ice flakes can be made every day, and that capacity is based on 30 degrees Celsius ambient temperature, 20 degrees Celsius inlet water temperature. The machine is equipped with one Bitzer screw compressor. This is the Bitzer screw compressor, air cooling condenser. The air cooling condenser is equipped with 8 air cooling fans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This machine is with a compact design. Okay, let's put the camera near the ice outlet so we can check the quality of ice flakes made by the machine. This is the ice making speed. So this is the inside of the generator. Again, this is the Bitzer screw compressor, and this is the air cooling condenser.